Hidden Beach is one of the best beaches in Lake Tahoe, and this video will tell you why. Hidden Beach, as its name suggested, is one of the most secluded Lake Tahoe beaches. There's no close by parking, so everybody who comes here either lives really close by or they walk from really far away, which makes it hidden. And let me tell you how we found it. My girlfriend and I stay at the Mont Bleu Hotel, South Lake Tahoe, Nevada. We found this hotel with a super amazing deal on an app called Snap Travel for only $88 per night. That was my first time using the app, and it was really out of my expectation. Wow. The swimming pool of this hotel put in the design of the rocks that mimic the ones that you can find in Lake Tahoe, which is pretty unique. The hotel also has a casino on its bottom floor, just like most other Nevada hotels. After a tour of the swimming pool and the casino, we decided to get some brunch first. This restaurant is called the OYSTER Bar, and it is on the first floor of Hard Rock Cafe Hotel and Casino. I came here 2 other times, and it always has a long wait line. It's a bar restaurant, and you can't just put down your name and come back later. You have to stand in line in order to get in and get seated. But once you get to sit down and enjoy the food, it is worth every single bite of it. We actually came here the night before, and we waited in line for an hour, but it is totally worth it. After lunch, we were driving up north looking for a beach, and we passed through LOGAN SHOALS VISTA point. It has a small parking lot, but it got filled up super quick during the summertime. We drove for 5 more minutes, parked our car at the side of the highway, and started a 15-minute walk. Carrying a bunch of stuff. Look at Jenny. What's up, Jenny? Hi. And look at those water, beautiful as water. And we're going there later. Alright, we're going now. Oh wow, look at this beach though. Like, hey Jenny, look at these clear rocks. After walking for 15 minutes, we were finally there. And the crystal clear water is so rewarding. We went to put on our snorkeling gear, and our snorkeling adventure began.
Like cool.
I know. Let's go. That's the whole fun part of it. No, just on the forehead.
Oh.
Hey. Hey, Jay.
Wait, it's so beautiful.
It is. Told you. I wanna remember this moment with you. Look at that.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Come out, son. Sunset.
We got pretty tiring, so we stopped to take a break.
Come on.
Good. Yeah, I know. Thank you. Yeah. 准备好了？3、2、1。
Sorry.
Guys,
Huh?
this is Lake Tahoe. Beautiful hidden beach. Look around. Turquoise color. Turquoise color. Then it's coming to me.
对，我滑倒了。
Okay, bye. Yeah, turquoise color. I hope the video is good for all of you. I'm gonna show my really nice apps. Okay, they're probably gone, but doesn't matter. Beautiful water.
We decided we were done snorkeling for the day, so we took off our gears and walked back to our beach.
Unlike someone 不会怕虫，然后躲在沙子还会脚痛，超没用的。
Hey Jenny， 太阳出来了。
I know, fuck you, son.
We got back to our tent, dried up our gears, enjoyed the views for a bit, and called it a day.
Yeah, this feels natural. Hey Jenny, let me see your face. 看起来怎么样？ I am so hungry. I don't really care. Let's go.
Hidden Beach left us some of our best memories at Lake Tahoe. The snorkeling experience was truly unreal. I've never snorkeled in any water this beautiful before. It is hard to think about, we ended up coming to Hidden Beach really just because Sand Harbor parking was full. I'm glad we came. Sometimes the best plans happen when it's unexpected. Isn't that life? If you like my video, help me like and subscribe my channel or send this video to someone who will find this helpful. The rest is a short edit of my favorite moments of the Hidden Beach sunset. Enjoy!
Everybody dance, don't stop. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, cause I'm about to go nuts. And my team is trying to say what's up. I've been waiting for this my whole life. Wanna do it again 3, 4 times. Cause it's better than a dream highway with young Lee. I will never get enough. So high, what a nice surprise. You're all I ever had in mind. I'm happy in the sky, a big case of desire. I will never say goodbye. That's right, that's right, that's right. I wanna be yours, wanna be yours. Tell the bodies to pull up. There's a party we can go all night. I will show you how to run the red lights. If you wanna, you can call me mine. Somewhere on the highway, under the starlight, you tuck me in your arms tight. Damn, it feels right. So high, what a nice surprise. You're all I ever had in mind. I'm happy in the sky, a big case of desire. I will never say goodbye. up. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, cause I'm about to go nuts. And I love what I feel.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Lake Tahoe. Awesome. Goodbye. Thanks, Mike.